I'm Marianne Binetti, and it's early spring, and you're wondering if you should prune your hydrangeas. Well, this is a mophead hydrangea. It has big round blooms, and it blooms in the summer. And you can prune hydrangeas to shorten up stems in the summer when you harvest the blooms. Actually, hydrangeas don't need pruning, but if you want to shape them or tidy them up, this is what I recommend doing in early spring. So I cut off the old blossoms. I'm going to follow this all the way down to where I see some new green buds coming up right there. So here's a blossom. I can go to this very first joint or leaf, or I can keep going down. I'm going to go to that one. The reason is I don't want these branches quite so long. Again, I follow it down to a bud. Now, this one has a nice long stem. Follow it all the way down, cut it just above a green branch. Now, this one, these are coming out, they're going to be in the way of mowing the lawn. So what I'm going to do this time of year, it's called shaping, pruning to shape. I'm not going to care about cutting off the dead blossoms. I just want to get this big old branch out of the way because it gets in the way of mowing the lawn. I think I'm going to take this one out as well. And then we have a little stump here. Okay. Well, you can also look for any dead wood. I don't really see any here. And then just continue clipping off the dead branches so your hydrangea looks nice and neat and ready for summer blooms. And now I'm going to fertilize. So here's a question I get a lot. Because I use this slow release Osmocote plant food, you have to work it into the soil. But so many of us have got plants growing right up underneath our shrubs, and how do you get the fertilizer in? Well, what I do, I like to pull apart the ground cover. This is a saxifrage that likes the shade, and it spreads very nicely, so I don't mind pulling it out. I can pull this out, I can move it to the part of the garden, I can give pieces away. I could even, if I really wanted to, I could put it back. But I want to expose the soil. So once I have the soil exposed, and I love that the plant tag is still there so I know exactly which variety of hydrangea I have. Now here's my Osmocote. I just use it, I like the bottle, it has the holes in it so I can shake it out. Okay, you could use the lid to measure, and you could give it, 1 to 2 tablespoons depending on the size of the shrub. I just kind of do a little guesstimate, and then I take my trowel, and I just kind of barely work it into the soil. Yeah, that's all there is to it. As the soil warms up, the fertilizer will be released right when the plant needs it, and my hydrangeas will have great color and really big blooms. This has been Marianne Binetti with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.